19 часов, здесь уже дождь.
Та сторона начала.
Короче, зайти схода не получилось, вот ворота вырвало. Пытаемся зайти через другим путем. Потому что что-то надо делать.
И стадион плывет. Так смотришь, и первый этаж административного.
5 regions and several hundred residential buildings in Crimea were flooded as a result of downpours. The rains and overflowing the banks of the river disabled hundreds of transformer substations and flooded the streets of Kerch, so much that the Russian head of Crimea, Sergei Aksenov, who arrived in the city on June 17, had to navigate its streets by boat. Precipitation on the peninsula has not stopped since the end of May. At first, residents of Simferopol suffered from them, where houses, private yards and gardens, as well as infrastructure facilities were flooded. Then the rains moved to the eastern part of the peninsula. There are 24 houses in the Leninsky district in Kerch, as well as the still unfinished Tavrida highway. Subscribe to the channel and keep abreast of natural changes on the planet.